Gold continues to rise in value. Yesterday the price formed a strong bullish candle, where the price is currently at the all-time high price level 3858.90, where the price is currently still rising and trying to reach higher price levels, where the next resistance will be 3870.55. Yesterday the price formed a bullish breakout, where we can see the price has found enough strength to push the price above this area of resistance. On the 4-hour time frame we can see easily how the price has made a bullish breakout above this area of resistance and then continued to rise in value, and this rise still doesn't stop. And as it looks right now, there is no resistance currently visible except this one, which is still not tested, that could prevent the price from rising further up. On the 1-hour time frame we can see yesterday how the price has behaved, forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see that, and also on the 1-hour time frame, this bullish breakout, the price reversed that back down, but then after that the price continued to rise in value, and after that the price has only stopped at this area 3817.94, where the price was bouncing between this area of support and resistance and finally made a bullish breakout. This bearish candle has pushed the price down below this area of then acting as a support. It has become resistance, but this bearish breakout has not lasted too much because the next candle has reverted back up and pushed the price above this area of resistance and then continued to rise in value. You can see that easily here on the chart. When the price has returned back up, the price has continued to rise in value, having problems, small problems, rising further up after this area of resistance around 3830, and then the price continued to rise in value further up. What you can see here, I do not have any support and resistance levels above this area because this is a new price level where the price has not been in the past. So these are new levels which needs to be tested and also see which are the support and the resistance levels currently on the chart. What we can expect today? Well, I am expecting that the price will rise in value, where the next resistance will be around this area 3870.55, or is there any small resistance that we will need to see? So I'm waiting outside of the market to see where the price will stop, and then will the price retrace strong back down, or it will stop for a while and then continue to rise in value further up. This is something that we need to wait for now, so I'm waiting outside of the market to see how the market will react and also to see what are the support and the resistance levels. I will also put some small support and the resistance levels, like in this example, based on the Fibonacci extension, just to see where the price will probably stop because of the smaller resistance, but 3870.55 is the next resistance that is on the higher time frame visible as the next resistance where the price could stop. And after that we can see which are the next levels. It is about 4,000, but let's go step by step to see how the price behaves on the lower time frames, which are the support and resistance levels for the price before heading further up. So for now everything is pointing that the price will rise as it looks right now, what we can see here, and where the price will stop, that is the question. So for now, let's see how the market reacts, follow the market, and then after the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout, then also enter the market and then follow and ride on the wave. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and also feel free to leave your observation and also your analysis. What do you expect where the price could reach? What is the next resistance level where the price could stop and then retrace back down? Like in this example, small resistance where the price has retraced back to 3716.14. Also join the premium analysis. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders to receive the updates during the day, where I also include news, what is happening currently on the market, what could affect the price, and also when the breakout happens, what is the target. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.